Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then directly come on to the task number 2. Copy this name, Vertex AI, and paste it here in search box of Google Cloud Console. And open this first option, Vertex AI, in new tab. Then click on this Enable All Recommended APIs. Then click on this Workbench. Now ensure that you are on this instance view. Then click on this Create New. And for instance name, come on to the lab instruction page. Scroll down a little bit from point number 6 of task number 2. Copy this name and replace it with this name. For region, for me it's US East 1 already selected. For zone, US East 1D. Okay, I will select US East 1D. Okay, then now simply scroll down and click on create. Now wait for green tick here. After getting green tick here, you will get an option called Open Jupyter Lab. Click on this Open Jupyter Lab option. Okay, wait for the content to get loaded. Now after opening this Jupyter Lab, scroll down little bit. You will get this terminal option. Click on this terminal and come on to the lab instruction page. Click on this task number 3. Copy this code, paste it here in terminal and hit enter. Okay, so we have completed with task number 2 and 3 both. Now simply click on the check my progress. For task number 3, you will get the green tick, and task number 2 also. You will get the green tick. So we have completed with this lab. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now you can simply end the lab, and if you like this tutorial, then hit the like and subscribe button.